Hello everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my English library. So, in this video, we are going to see the simple present tense. About tense, we already discussed. So, in case you haven't watched it, it will be available in the iCards. Please go through that. And coming to the simple present tense is formed in the subject V1 plus object. Of course, the verb will take sometimes yes or yes to its main form, and it is used to express the present actions. Of course, it doesn't tell us definitely whether the action is complete or not. So, it is also called the indefinite tense. Coming to the usage of the present, habits, daily activities can be expressed in simple present tense. So, look into the examples. I get up at 5 o'clock every day. He gets up early in the morning. Amit gets up early in the morning. So, in all these three examples, if you observe, all are habits and the daily activities of different people. But the difference is when you see the subject I, the verb is get. I mean, the base form of get. The next one, he and Amit, the two subjects got the verb get plus yes. There we can understand he and Amit belong to third person singulars. And coming to the other usage, general truths or facts also can be expressed in simple present tense. There you can see the examples. The sun rises in the east. Heat expand bodies. Honesty is the best policy. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. There are all these examples say about the general truths or facts. So all these can be expressed in simple present tense. Not only these, the things that are in case facts can be expressed in simple present tense. The other thing is planned future actions. So coming to the examples, my brother leaves for Paris next month. There in this example we can see the action is going to happen in the future time, but as it is the planned one, we can express that in simple present tense. So go with the other example. The prime minister visits Hyderabad next week. This is also the future action, but the prime minister activities all are pre-planned. So we can take that as simple present tense. And the next one is the train arrives on time. The train timings and aeroplane timings, the bus timings, all are schedules. So all these scheduled activities and the plan activities can be expressed in simple present tense. And move on to the today's proverb. There you can have a proverb today is marry in haste, repent at leisure. That means that those who rush into a marriage spend a long time repenting it later. That means if you marry someone without knowing the person well, you will later regret your decision to marry. So that's all says that before marrying, you should know each other well. That shows that the better understanding of the two persons who are going to marry will have the better future for both. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching our video. If not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe immediately and you'll get the early notifications. And please give your valuable feedback and happy learning. and we'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.